Need to turn on cellular data on your Samsung phone? This quick guide will show you two simple methods that work on most Samsung Galaxy devices in 2026. Whether you prefer using the Settings app or the Quick Settings panel, you can enable mobile data in just a few taps and get back online instantly. Method 1. Turn on cellular data through settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You can find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, tap Connections, which contains all your network related options. Next, select Data Usage. Here you'll see the mobile data option. Tap the switch next to it to turn cellular data on. When enabled, your phone will be able to access the internet using your mobile carrier's network whenever Wi-Fi is unavailable. If you have a dual SIM Samsung device, you may also see options to choose which SIM card handles mobile data. Make sure the correct SIM is selected if needed. Method 2. Turn on cellular data using the Quick Settings panel. For a faster method, swipe down from the top of the screen using two fingers to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel provides instant access to commonly used features. Look for the mobile data icon, which is typically represented by signal bars or two directional arrows. Tap the icon once to enable cellular data. When active, the icon will become highlighted in blue or your device's current theme color. If it appears gray, mobile data is turned off. Helpful tips. If mobile data still doesn't work after enabling it, check that airplane mode is turned off and confirm that your mobile plan includes data service. You can also restart your phone or contact your carrier if connectivity issues continue. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung phone is now connected through mobile data, letting you browse, stream, and stay connected anywhere.